8 Tractor Maintenance Tips.
A cautious and responsible driver can run the tractor perfectly and keep it in good condition. You can avoid big loss or damage by ensuring these daily maintenance steps. Number 1. Engine oil. Engine oil is its life-saving component. It keeps the engine parts running smoothly. It prevents wear and tear of internal engine parts. Before starting the engine, check the engine oil level with dipstick. Number 3. Tires pressure. To get good performance of tractor, have ideal air pressure in tires. The less or higher pressure can increase engine work but lower efficiency. It may also decrease tires life. Number 3. Fan belt. Check fan belt tension and remove any crop around the alternator. Belt should not be too loose and nor tight. It can increase engine temperature and damage the alternator. Number 4. Fuel tank. Try to use good quality and fresh fuel. It will provide good engine efficiency. For good tractor maintenance, fuel tank should be sediment and rust free because it can damage fuel injection pump. Number 5. Diesel filter. Diesel filter collects the impurities or dust particles at its bottom. Always clean these by opening the filter bottom so that it does not get stuck. It will also avoid sticking of fuel pump node. Number 6. Radiator water. The radiator is the essential part of the engine. Its job is to lower the temperature by providing cool water or fluid. It is only possible if there enough level of water. Check its level regularly. Number 7. Preair cleaner. Preair cleaner provides neat and fresh air to the engine. It has a system of cleaning the air with oil container at its bottom. Before reaching the bottom, it dusts the air at the top. So check and sanitize it. Number 8. Hydraulic oil. Also ensure that oil level in transmission gearbox is optimum. In Pakistani manufactured tractors, hydraulic and transmission oil subsists in single chamber. Debris occurs from transmission gears which can damage pump.